everybody join in. Start a love tree. People all over the world now. Join in. Love ride. Start a love train.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our Achievement Assembly. Before I start, I just need to say how amazing it is and wonderful it is to have all of the children back into school this week. It's been so lovely to see you all in the corridors and in your classes, and you've come in so positively and you're taking part in your lessons and you're having fun, which is absolutely brilliant. So well done to each and every one of you. So now it's time to celebrate some amazing individuals, some children and young people that have been just doing some tremendous things over the last few weeks. So everybody sit back, relax, and let's just celebrate some of our incredible children. So we're going to start today in yellow class, and we're going to give a big congratulations to Luca. Luca, you have got the award this month because you've been trying really hard with your letter sounds and you can remember all of the sounds that you've been doing in class. Well done, Luca, brilliant. My next Head Teacher's Award goes to Natalia in blue class. Natalia, you have come back into school and you've settled in so well. Your engagement and curiosity with your environment and your class has been absolutely tremendous. Well done, Natalia. And my next Head Teacher's Award goes to Jessica in red class. Jessica, you have settled back into school so well and you have been using your standard in school, which you are really not used to. You've taken to it really well and we are so proud of you. Well done, Jessica. We're now going to say a big congratulations to you, Oliver. So, Ollie, you've been just incredible. You have been using your voice more to make requests and to make choices. So much progress. So well done, Ollie. Congratulations on your Head Teacher's Award. It's now time to say congratulations to somebody in white class. So Joe, this is for you. Joe, you're using a wider range of words and you're learning new words every day, such as brother. Joe, you've also begun to put two words together and will now say, okay, bye. Joe, you show such determination to use words and sounds, and you do this with a huge smile. Joe, you're even using words to support your independence and telling staff what colour they need to use on your sling by saying green. Keep up your determination, Joe. You simply are amazing. Well done. So my next Head Teacher's Award goes to Marta in pink class. Marta, you have done some wonderful learning in science. You have learnt the names of the different parts of the plants and trees, and you've enjoyed finding seeds in different fruits. Marta, you really are a super scientist. Well done. Now it's time for me to say a big congratulations to one of our newest pupils. Congratulations, Sarah in green class. Sarah, you have settled in so well to your new class and school, and not only that, you are doing amazingly well with telling the time and with your writing. Well done, Sarah. We're really proud of you. Congratulations. Next is a huge well done to Victor in purple class. Victor, you've been increasing with your independence throughout all of your subjects and working so very, very hard. This week you've been writing division number sentences and you've been absolutely fantastic. Well done, Victor. So in grey class we've got two amazing children to celebrate. Kim and Wyatt, you are both getting a Head Teacher's Award. You worked so incredibly hard at home during recent lockdown, and just look at those folders of work with your amazing home learning. We really are so proud of you, and it's been absolutely wonderful to see you back in school enjoying your learning. Well done, both of you. I'm now moving into Key Stage 3, and the first pupil in Key Stage 3 to get a Head Teacher's Award is Oliver in 3L. Oliver, you've been demonstrating increased verbal interaction with your peers and you've been verbally engaging in all of your lessons without prompting. Well done, Oliver, just fantastic work. Now it's time to congratulate Cameron in 3MB. Cameron, you attended every single lesson throughout lockdown, which was absolutely brilliant. Since your return to school, you have displayed this knowledge in your lessons. Not only that, Cameron, you've displayed such a positive attitude to school. You're a constant positive role model for your peers and nothing ever phases you. Well done, Cameron. You so deserve this certificate. So next, I want to say a huge well done to Jack in 3T. Jack, you've become much more confident with your peers, both in the classroom and outside. Jack, you've built some great friendships with those around you since Christmas, and you've extended that to those that have returned to school this week. Jack, you really are doing so well. Congratulations. Now it's time to say congratulations to you, Anna, in 3MH. Anna, you've settled so well into Sherbourne and you've done some amazing work. Your independent skills have improved, and as well as that, so is your command of the English language. Anna, you really are doing so well. Congratulations. I'm now moving into 3S, and I want to say a huge congratulations and well done to Roop. Roop, you've completed lots of work at home, but not only that, you've come back into school this week so happy and so positive, and you've been taking part brilliantly in all of your lessons. Well done, Roop. It's so wonderful to have you back. So my final but really important certificate goes to somebody in 3C. Donnell, this certificate is for you. You've returned to school with such a positive attitude. You are taking part in your lessons so well, and we are so proud of how mature you've become. Well done, Donnell, just brilliant. My next certificate and well done goes to Matthew in 3-4R. Matthew, you've been doing some amazing counting and number identification, both using number cards and verbally. You've also come back from lockdown so happy and you've been engaging in class so well. Well done, Matthew. So, Jayden, it's time to celebrate you. Jayden, you have continued to engage with your curriculum so positively, and despite all of the changes and challenges that you've had during lockdown, you have just been amazing. Well done, Jayden in 3-4A. Next up, it's Key Stage 4, and my first certificate goes to an incredible young woman in Key Stage 4. Congratulations, Katie, you've got a Head Teacher's Award. So Katie, you have been showing us so much resilience and maturity through recent times. Not only that, Katie, you've done such positive work and you've had such a great work ethic during lockdown. So a massive congratulations to you, Katie. We're really proud of you. Well done. My next Head Teacher's Award goes to you, Fraser, in 4Z. Fraser, we really are proud of you because you've worked so hard to improve your literacy over the past few months. You've become far more independent and confident when reading, and your writing has improved so much. You now fly through your high frequency words and you can build and read sentences with just growing confidence. Fraser, not only this, you're a really good friend to others in the class and you've shown us so much maturity over the last few months. So it's time to celebrate, Fraser. Well done. Now we're going to celebrate some of our older students in school, and to start with we are going to say a big congratulations to Zoe in 5JF. Zoe, you really have worked so hard at home with your remote learning and you have produced lots and lots of fantastic quality work across key stage subjects. Well done, Zoe. We really are so proud of all of your amazing efforts. Just look at all that work. So the next young person that we want to celebrate is Lyam in 5JL. Lyam, so many of us have just been so impressed with your increased maturity over the last few months. But not only that, Lyam, you've made an outstanding effort with your remote learning. You really have been so conscientious with all of your work. So a huge congratulations to you, Lyam. We really are so proud of you. Well done. So my next Head Teacher's Award goes to Zoe in 5C. Zoe, since returning to school, you've been using technology to support your learning. And not only that, Zoe, you've been doing this without adult prompts, and we really are so proud of you. So well done, Zoe, on all your hard work. Keep it up. Now I'm going to say congratulations to Kyan in 5S. Kyan, you've completed so much work during lockdown, but you've returned this home learning to us and it is of an excellent standard. So we want to say to you, congratulations, Kyan. You've got a Head Teacher's Award. Well done for all of that hard work. So my final Head Teacher's Award goes to Matthew in 5M. Matthew, you've been engaging so well in all curriculum activities since returning to school, and you have been so positive and so happy. So well done, Matthew. A certificate is finding its way to you. So a massive well done to all of the children and young people that have received a Head Teacher Certificate today. You never know, it might be your turn next time. So keep up the good work, everyone. Keep on coming into school with those big smiles and having fun, and have a lovely weekend. Take care, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Everybody join in.